Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about the man that during Corona was forced to apologize to Andrew Holness. Well, he's back in the media again, and not for what you think it is. He's suing.
Andrew Holness, me name Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man. Come to me now.
Mr. Andrew Holness said, "Me sorry. Me ever make that utterance."
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go back.
So it says St. Anne resident Shaquille Higgins, whose video recorded police directed apology to Prime Minister Andrew Holness went viral last year, has sued the government. And I know that's right. Higgins was arrested in July after he allegedly disrespected the Prime Minister and expressed disregard for COVID-19 containment measures. But the police said cops visited his home because he was the subject of a larceny matter. They said he was taken to the police station and was later released after a question and answer session. An internal police probe was also launched into the conduct of the cops. Meanwhile, Higgins is seeking damages for false imprisonment and assault. He is also seeking damages for aggravated and explanatory damages. The St. Anne hotel worker is also claiming damages for breach of Constitution, damages under Cybercrime Act, and other relief as the court deems fit. Attorney at law Samuel and Charge Ganja Sai are I don't know if it's Ganja or Ganga Sai are representing Higgins in his suit, which was filed in the Supreme Court last week. Higgins, who works as a busboy at the Moon Palace Hotel in St. Anne, has named the Attorney General as defendant. He contends that on July 26 last year, he was detained and falsely imprisoned for 24 hours without reasonable cause. And I'm going to say this. I applaud him. I applaud him in trying to use the justice system in the way it was set up for people like him. I applaud him. He's taking this into his own hands and he's fighting. We don't live in a dictatorship. We don't live in China. We don't live in North Korea. We are allowed free speech. And even though we're allowed free speech to a certain extent, you're supposed to know what's right and wrong. But for them to actually force him to apologize and actually imprison him, that is wrong on so many levels. And he has every right to sue. I can't say I blame him, honestly. But if you're gonna go down that road, be prepared for everything that's gonna come, because these people are gonna come out swinging and they're gonna come out trying to paint you in a bad light. They're gonna try to come and make you look a certain way. So be prepared to be villainized in the media, and for people to have all sorts of things to say to you. JCF, I feel like he actually should sue the JCF and call it a day, but he named the Governor General as the defendant. But anyways, what are your thoughts? Do you think he has every right to sue? Do you think he's not going to win? Do you think he is going to win? What are your thoughts on his case? What do you think about what he said in the video last year? Do you think what he said was wrong? Do you think what he said was disrespectful, but you don't feel like he should have been falsely imprisoned and forced to apologize? Do you think that he should have been falsely imprisoned and he was supposed to apologize, and you're glad that the police actually forced him to apologize? What are your thoughts on this whole situation? Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
Andrew Holness, me name Shaquille Higgins, live on Main Street, man. Come to me now.
Mr. Andrew Holness said, "Me sorry. Me ever make that utterance."
Go ahead, Mr. Higgins.
I'm really sorry.
Go back.